I am so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I could literally like do 100 cartwheels. I could go fly a buggy. I could go, I don't even know, like in a tornado, and I'd come out fine because that's how excited I am. And I know that's not how tornadoes work, but that's how they work today because oh my god, I am so excited. Now, to let you guys know, I have never gotten a BOXYCHARM before, and it is literally a dream of mine to get one, and now I finally have one. And I am so excited to open it for you guys and let you know what I got. It has not been opened yet. It's completely sealed. I got it in the mail like, I don't even know, 20 minutes ago. I was checking my email constantly to see when it would get here because that is how excited I am to open this box today. So with that, without further ado, let's get into the video. For all you guys that don't know, BOXYCHARM is a $25 a month subscription box, and you get beauty products, you get skincare products, you get hair products. It really depends on what you put down in like the preference quiz, what they're going to send you. But you're supposed to get over, I think, $120 worth of stuff in this box. And I have never gotten one, so I'm going to give you my honest opinions of everything that is in this box. And I will admit they may be a little tainted because I am just so excited to have one. I really hope it lives up to my expectations. And let's start opening it. Oh my god. This box is really hard to open. There's scissors? Okay, I'm gonna get scissors. Okay. Got it. Whew. We've broken into the box. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Did I mention I'm excited? I'm really excited. Oh my god! So the first thing I see here is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. And I've heard so many people get this in their box and it is so cute and it looks so good. Okay, let me smell it. Oh my god. It smells like fruit. I think it's passion fruit. Berry Glow Probiotic. Just kidding. I don't know what made me think it was passion fruit. Maybe it was just the color. Oh my god. Okay, this smells amazing. I'm super excited and I'm super happy that I got this in my box because I've been reading reviews about it and everyone is in love with it. So I'm going to be using this tonight because, oh my god, it looks amazing. The next thing I got, which I also saw and really wanted to get, is these I Am Dead Sea Mineral and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. Apparently these are like the best wipes to get. And I have no idea where to get them, and I've never heard of them before. But every comment that I've read is, these are amazing, you have to try them, and as soon as you do, you will never use another makeup remover again. So I will be using this to remove my makeup tonight. And, oh my god. Should I open them? I should open them. No, I shouldn't. Should I? Okay, I'll open them. What do they smell like? Okay, they don't smell bad. They smell like a little chemically, but mostly citrusy. I don't know. It doesn't have a super strong scent. And it says it removes waterproof mascara, which is awesome because I wear a lot of waterproof mascara because I am known to cry more than the average human should. But besides that, on to the next thing. So the next thing is the Pretty Vulgar eyelash, not eyelash. Why did I say eyelash? Eyeshadow primer. Now, I've never used an eyeshadow primer, and I know that sounds crazy. I don't know why I've never used one. I just haven't. But this one looks really cool. Ah! Okay, I'm just so excited. This is really bad. Like, anything they could have sent me, I probably would have been like, this is the most exciting thing ever, because it's makeup, and it's one of my favorite things to get in the mail. Honestly, I love getting anything in the mail, just opening it up. It's amazing. Just love it. But I really want to try this out because I've never worn eyeshadow. Ah! I dropped the cap. With a primer before, and I'm wondering if it works better. It probably does, considering it's a primer. And face primers make foundation work better. So obviously this would make it work better. That just makes sense. But either way, this is what it looks like. It's just really tiny and pink and really cute. I love the packaging. Baby pink's my favorite color, so they really hit the mark on that. So the next thing that they gave me is the Daily Concepts Shampoo Bar. It's a plant-based vegan shampoo bar. And I really want to smell this. I've seen a lot of people get it in their boxes. And I love, I mean literally love, what is this called? Shampoo bar. I love shampoo bars. I have some of them from Lush in my bathroom, and honestly, getting one that's on a rope seems like it would be super useful and super nice and super pretty. Oh my god. And I actually don't even need to read the price on this because it's $24, because I remember from all the reviews I've watched, because I'm so excited. Oh, and it smells so good. Oh, you know what it smells like? It smells like when you go to a resort that's at a beach, and the soaps that they have there that just make it smell like you were at a yacht club or something. That's what this smells like to me. Oh, it's so good. It's like refreshing. Okay, I could smell this all day. It is so cute though. Look at it. It has a little string and everything. It's so cute. I'm so excited to use this. And the last thing I got is this Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. I'm really curious the colors that are in here, because I put in my preference that I really like neutrals and no other wild colors. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And honestly, there are some pretty colors. There are definitely some that I will not use, but Dusty Rose is really pretty. Cinnamon is really pretty. Black is just black. I'll probably use the gold and the sand and cream. Those are probably the only ones I will use, but okay, that's like half the palette. That's a pretty good amount of stuff I'll use. But it is really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna like test it out with my finger. Ooh. Okay, they're really nice. I like them. That's pretty. That's pretty too. Okay, sand is coming off way more orangey than I imagined, but it's still really pretty. It's like a terracotta in the gold. Okay, so they're not super duper pigmented. Like, I've definitely had shadows with more pigment, but they're still really pretty. And they're not like coming off a lot, so, well, I already swatched it, so they're kind of messy. But here's a close-up of all the colors. They're really, really cute. And then here are a few swatches in my hand. I just did the top row because I really only had room for that. But they're not super duper bright, but I also like that because I'm not a super duper bright eyeshadow wearer. So all in all, I'm really excited. I'm really, really excited. I love the mask. I'm excited for the shampoo bar. I'm really excited for these. I like some of the colors in this. And then this I can try out with this. So this is kind of good. I think I'll use all this stuff. It's a good thing. I like it when I use everything in my boxes. Not that I've gotten one before. How many times have I said that I haven't gotten a box before? Probably a lot. Way more than I should. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know what you got in your box and if you're really excited to try it. I know I am, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!